Hello, kids! Today, we will learn phonics sounds. A, A, A. A says A. A, A, A. A for apple. B, B, B. B says B. B, B, B. B for ball. C, C, C. C says K. K, K, K. C for cat. D, D, D. D says D. D, D, D. D for dog. E, E, E. E says E. E, E, E. E for elephant. F, F, F. F says F. F, F, F. F for fish. G, G, G. G says G. G, G, G. G for goat. H, H, H. H says H. H, H, H. H for hen. I, I, I. I says I. I, I, I. I for ice cream. J, J, J. J says J. J, J, J. J for jug. K, K, K. K says K. K, K, K. K for kite. L, L, L. L says L. L, L, L. L for lion. M, M, M. M says M. M, M, M. M for mango. N, N, N. N says N. N, N, N. N for nest. O, O, O. O says ah. Ah, ah, ah. O for orange. P, P, P. P says P. P, P, P. P for parrot. Q, Q, Q. Q says Qu. Qu, Qu, Qu. Q for queen. R, R, R. R says R. R, R, R. R for rabbit. S, S, S. S says S. S, S, S. S for sun. T, T, T. T says T. T, T, T. T for tiger. U, U, U. U says U. U for umbrella. V, V, V. V says V. V, V, V. V for van. W, W, W. W says W. W, W, W. W for watch. X, X, X. X says X, 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 X. X for X-ray. Y, Y, Y. Y says Y, 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 Y. Y for yak. Z, Z, Z. Z says Z, 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 Z. Z for zebra. Very good, kids. You learned phonics sounds. Subscribe, Tip Tip Kids. Bye-bye.